words. And I've not heard any person talking about it. Once I go in the parliament, I'm going to call sister. What I'm not going to fight here is about development. I will not fight development. If there is a development, whatever government, I will deal with them to make sure we get that money. We develop our Mukono municipality. I don't want to see money moving, jumping our market, jumping our roundabout. We must get that money. We must engage in. We get money, we develop Mukono. And I can assure you, it is easy to get money. But once you don't cooperate also with some of few friends at where you come from, like a district here, municipality, people may not work with you even if you are MP. You must be able to cooperate as a civil society and authorities at a lower level and higher level. So mine is, I'm determined to die for my country. I'm a new supporter. I've been a reformer gender person before, coordinating. They even charged me one time, 2016 court. I mean, they charged me, but I won. Because they found me recording, registering people because of the poor pay and the other services. We said the government was too corrupt. Nepotism was the order of the day. That's how people know me. The rent, first of all. Two, I want wings to go out of our governments. Let them make private hospitals outside government hospitals. The wings should be out so that we can access better doctors instead of saying he's in a private wing. No medicine private wing. You are not paying a rent. Are we benefiting? Who made that strategy? That policy is very, very poor. Who's paying a rent? How much money have we lost? If we had given those wings, then privately, how much money would government have got? Security. These issues of arresting the other general, my friend General Mohozi, I have no problem with him. But when you begin threatening people, it are going to cut the head. You know, the things you have to avoid. It doesn't sound well. Even the president, he must not be happy with some of the remarks. But being a son, blood is thicker than water. Even arresting this, you can imagine. Someone who have been a police officer, a senior detective, a person who has committed a crime in another country, you can't bring him overnight. This is that tradition. They've done wrong. What? Now, basically, I'm imagining, why would those people not follow him? How did the gun go through international airport? They check. Listen, how did the gun go? Now, those guns have got numbers. We have been registering them in the police, in army. They have got numbers. Those guns I got with him, they are registered from which country? Who was the owner of that gun? We want those soldiers, police, to be punished. Because every gun has got a record. If they came from Kenya, they should look at those people who are responsible for the armor, who are the people responsible for those guns, to be punished. But they cannot suffer alone. Those guns have numbers. They have numbers, the way we have the numbers in the force. If the number, this gun was the people, this gun came from Uganda, who was responsible? How did it go out of the barracks? Who was responsible? Why are they not coming out? You bring the fake voices. You come out now, you say, you give the list. Now when you come out, you say this gun was stolen from Nakasero, this from Jinja Road Police, this one came from Muguru. Now they will say how, the barracks, they look, one by one. That is what we call investigations. People go and give them the president 7 lies sometimes. They concoct because they want money for investigations. But I can assure you, if this matter was to be given special investigations, some of us that we investigate it, we shall know that president, people lied to him. They just wanted money to move. And arrest is a political move. And if it is not a political move, I can assure you, today we want to see that those guns, we need them. Let us know their numbers. Let us understand where they came from, who are the holders, who are responsible for those guns, so that they all go together with basically in a conspiracy. So that they don't punish one person. Because how do they go up to Kenya? Somebody who moved here, you find the guns in the room. How? Which number? Is it a Kenyan number? Those are some of the things I want Ugandans to look at. Let us look at very far away. Just start with that investigation. As simple as that. We shall be able to determine. So investigators are even not good in the country. Who have been few investigators who are good. Investigate, you bring a matter well. But there are those ones who want please by telling lies. lies. So we don't want people to tell lies. People have been prosecuted innocently because of their lies. And want these people, if we investigate properly, we find these people who are lying, they should be prosecuted, should be hanged themselves. But all in all, I want President to give us our red carpet. Red carpet, since he has been taking caps that have resemblance for military, let him use his yellow. Here we are moving. I've already made my wheelbarrows so that there is scarcity of fuel. We can't manage. We shall move between April and August if he has not returned back our red carpet, or if he had not stopped using it, he must use his yellow color. That is his yellow. Movement has a yellow color, not a red. Red is for noob. And I have not even heard people talking about it all these elections. So I've come out with those things. Those are some of the strategies that let us, each person utilizes his own property. Let them work. We look at education, we revise. We have the 2 terms. Other terms, they go for practicals, curriculum if you are to achieve the objectives of curriculum. Let people, I don't also want to see people paying school fees. It's benefiting. Some of us, we get little. We have been getting just something small. Go there and see. We're not benefiting so much. They have benefited. Meaning, if we get another president also, the other family can also benefit, and people around him. In our sciences, I've also been moving in the hospitals. In 30 years, I've been in police. Sciences, people you find they're getting just 250. This is nurses. They are not getting any money. If these interns, they work 6 months, no money. Now I'm asking, why are you still telling them to study sciences? If you cannot manage them, if you don't have good plan for them, you have not planned for them, why do you still insist? People should go for sciences. So we need a government that can have good ideas, a government for people, government that can care and come. This one is now only looking at the bigger things of going to the moon. Going to the moon, yes, infrastructure is good, you can have those companies, the Chinese and the rest, but for us people of Uganda, we need to be recognized first. The first priority should come us. We have our investors here, Ugandans, the Africans, black people, that they don't have the presidential protection unit. That are only protecting the foreigners. We need also to be recognized. Before you can recognize the foreigner, I'm calling Ugandans, recognize Africans as black investors. Start with me. I'm also an investor in the country because I've got property. I'm also paying tax. So we want that recognition, we want that protection that they are giving out foreigners. We also want that the taxes, they reduce, they give money also to our Africans start their factories. They are able, instead of giving the other people alone. We have not benefited. Ugandans, Africans have not benefited. It is foreigners. President is like he loves the outside people, not us so much. It is a small section of people that have benefited from him. So these are the masters should go. And other DCs also, there are other DCs up countries there who are bribed to give the head teachers in to remain inside so they need money. They say because the parents shout, they know they will not benefit through PTA and food money. So one those other DCs, those who are there, few of them whom I even have the name, should desist from that side. Let the children of the government of Uganda go to school. Let the children of Uganda go and benefit. Because it's a country. Uganda is bigger than one person, it's bigger than one party. But what we want a country is at peace. Era kakati obusinge buno bwe twabwereetera bwe tubuyina obusinge bwaffe era noonowa obusinge aba bulijjo abatiine bunomo gwonna abunjagala bafune ku mazzi era n'amasanyalaze bagasaleko era abaana baabwe basome ekimbadde njogerako nti bebeere free education kubanga we have the areas where people cannot even manage 5,000 era amazzi go tigaliimu ekyamazzi era one nze mutandika nekya movement nti movement yaleetawo amazzi nti g'abantu. But I hear people still ask them money. Era abantu tebalina sente bona tebalina. Bine mu abagaga basobola 10. Bina babatayina. Era when you take them down kuruzi when the running water has gone, usanga amazi machafu ebintu bigenze mu byonna. So singa abantu abo bafunaga mu mazzi ga bwereere. Government speaks, but implementation is poor. I'm seeing people pay money, 100 shillings, people don't have the money. You see, you find old women who are pregnant, children at night, they get raped here and there because they got a night look for water, search of water. So wetaga nti amazzi ago buli village bateeke mu tap abantu bafune ku mazzi, because they the government also do much. They back at them. Every person should get the water. Since they have denied the electricity, it's supposed to be free for everybody, but let them people get water. It is our water from our own sources of lakes. Abantu babulijjo bafune ku mazzi. Abagaga bagaagala nabo banaafuna naye nga abantu babulijjo bafune ku mazzi. Era ffe twagala abantu babulijjo, tulwanira abantu babulijjo. We are not fighting for the rich people. No.